Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about automobile battery complete details in simple English. In this video we will discuss battery working principle, battery parts, top battery manufacturers in the world, battery maintenance, battery specifications, battery testing methods, battery charging types, common battery problems and troubleshooting. So watch this video till the end. What is an automobile battery? An automobile battery is an electrical energy storage device used in vehicles. The main function of the battery is to start the engine, to supply power to lights and accessories, to support the charging system. Most vehicles use a 12-volt lead-acid battery. When the engine is off, the battery supplies electrical power. When the engine is on, the alternator charges the battery. Working principle of automobile battery. The automobile battery works on a chemical reaction. Inside the battery there are lead plates, electrolyte solution made of sulfuric acid and water. When chemical reaction happens between the plates and electrolyte, electrical energy is produced. Voltage is generated. This electricity is supplied to starter motor, headlights, horn, ECU, audio system. During engine cranking, battery gives high current to starter motor. Starter motor rotates engine. Engine starts. After engine starts, alternator charges the battery again. This charging and discharging process continues continuously. Automobile battery parts. Now let us see important battery parts. Battery container. Outer body that holds all battery components. Positive plate. Connected to positive terminal. Negative plate. Connected to negative terminal. Electrolyte. Mixture of sulfuric acid and distilled water. Separators. Placed between positive and negative plates to avoid short circuit. Cell. Each cell produces approximately 2 volts. 6 cells together produce 12 volts. Battery terminals. Positive and negative connection points. Vent caps. Release gases formed during charging. Battery cover. Top portions sealing the battery. Types of automobile batteries. Lead-acid battery. Most common and economical battery. Maintenance-free battery. No need to add water regularly. AGM battery. Used in modern vehicles with start-stop technology. Gel battery. Electrolyte is in gel form. Lithium-ion battery. Used mainly in electric vehicles. Battery specifications. Before purchasing battery we must understand specifications. Voltage. Most cars use 12V battery. Capacity. Measured in ampere hour. Example. 35 Ah. 65 Ah. 100 Ah. Higher Ah means longer backup. Cold cranking amps, CCA. Indicates battery starting power in cold conditions. Reserve capacity. How long battery can supply power without alternator. Terminal type. Top terminal or side terminal. Manufacturing date. Always buy fresh battery. Top 5 battery manufacturers in the world. CATL. One of the largest EV battery manufacturers. Approximate EV battery pack price. $4,000 to $15,000 depending on capacity. LG Energy Solution. Supplies batteries for electric vehicles and electronics. Panasonic. Famous for EV and automobile batteries. Exide Industries. Very popular in India for automotive batteries. Approximate price. 4,000 Indian rupees to 12,000 Indian rupees depending on vehicle type. Amaron. Known for long life and low maintenance batteries. Approximate price 4,500 Indian rupees to 14,000 Indian rupees. Battery maintenance. Proper maintenance increases battery life. Clean battery terminals. Remove corrosion using hot water or baking soda. Check electrolyte level. Only for lead-acid batteries. Use distilled water if level is low. Tighten connections. Loose terminals cause starting problems. Avoid deep discharge. Do not leave lights on for long time. Check charging system. Alternator voltage should be correct. Keep battery secure. Loose mounting damages plates. Regular voltage check. Healthy battery voltage. Around 12.6 volts when engine OFF. Battery testing methods. Visual inspection. Check for cracks, leakage, corrosion, swelling. Voltage test. Using multimeter. 12.6 V equals fully charged. 12.4 V equals normal. Below 12 V equals weak battery. Load test. Checks battery performance under load. Hydrometer test. Measures electrolyte-specific gravity. Conductance test. Modern battery tester checks battery health quickly. Battery charging types. Slow charging. Low current charging. Best for battery life. Fast charging. High current charging. Used in emergency conditions. Trickle charging. Very low current charging for maintaining battery. Smart charging. Automatic charger controls charging safely. Boost charging. Used for quick engine start support. Common battery problems. Battery not charging. Possible reasons. Faulty alternator. Loose belt. Damaged wiring. Engine cranks slowly. Possible reasons. Weak battery. Loose terminals. Low electrolyte. Battery overheating. Possible reasons. Overcharging. Internal short circuit. Corroded terminals. White powder formation reduces connection quality. Battery swelling. Usually caused by overcharging or high temperature. Frequent battery discharge. Possible reasons. Parasitic load. Lights left on. Faulty charging system. Battery troubleshooting. Problem: vehicle not starting. Check. Battery voltage. Terminal tightness. Starter motor. Fuse. Problem: dim headlights. Check. Battery charge. Alternator output. Problem: battery drains overnight. Check. Parasitic current. Interior lights. Audio system wiring. Problem: battery warning light on. Check. Alternator belt. Charging voltage. Battery condition. Safety precautions. Always follow safety while handling batteries. Wear gloves and safety glasses. Avoid sparks near battery. Do not short battery terminals. Use correct polarity connection. Keep battery away from children. Battery acid is dangerous, so handle carefully.